Hi Paresh. Hi Vinayak. Hi.
Hello.
So I'm audible. I'm
Yeah,
audible.
yeah, yeah.
Okay. Okay. So sir, as we know that MCAR has come up with a campaign, and we would like to know more about it. So can you please explain more about it?
Yeah. So it's a campaign for anemia, and we all 38,000 gynecologists have come together to fight against anemia and eradicate anemia, especially amongst our women who are pregnant or adolescent, and we want that hemoglobin should be at least 12. So that is our main goal, and we want them to be healthy. And when the women is pregnant, there's more need of good health and good nutrition. So we advise those women to take nutritious food and to take food which contains iron, like green vegetables, then fruits, and in villages also they can take jaggery and other things. So that is what our main aim is, and we want to prevent the complications, the complications which a pregnant women has during pregnancy. The adolescent girls she has, there is a weakness, and if the woman is pregnant, then the growth of the baby will also hamper. So it is very important when the women get pregnant that her hemoglobin should be good, should be healthy, so that she give birth to a healthy baby.
Okay. So sir, now I will ask few questions.
Yeah.
So the first question is, what does more than 38,000 for hashtag more than para symbolize?
Yeah, that what I was telling you was that we the 38,000 gynecologists of all over India have come together to see that our women has a hemoglobin more than 12. So that is our main aim to eradicate anemia.
Yeah. Okay, so the next question is, what is anemia and why is this number bara so important for every woman?
Anemia means there's when the hemoglobin is less, if it's less than 12. So that's the reason it's called bara. So it is very important, as I said, that if a pregnant woman, her hemoglobin is less, so the growth of the baby will hamper. The baby will not be very healthy, and the baby will be have intrauterine growth restriction. The baby will be weak. And if we talk about the adolescent girls, then those girls who are menstruating, they are having periods every month. So if their hemoglobin is less, so their growth will also be stunted, and their brain will not function properly. Their growth will not be proper. So that's the reason we want to eradicate anemia.
Okay, the next question is, who do you think stands the risk of not being more than 12?
Yeah, so mainly the pregnant women and the adolescent girls. So the reason being the pregnant woman, she has a baby inside her who needs the nutrition. So she needs a lot of good nutritious food, especially food which contains iron, like green vegetables, fruits. That is important. And the teenage girl, she has just started menstruating. So now her this thing. Requirement is more. She is bleeding, so every month she started bleeding. So it's very important that we give her nutrition right.
Okay, so the next question is, do you think we can ever become anemia free India?
Yes, definitely we can become the anemia free India. Only thing is we have to start with diagnosis. The testing should be done regularly. Screening should that is called screening. So all women should be screened. All adolescent girls should be screened in schools, and all the pregnant women should be screened in the PHC setups and villages and small setups. So definitely we can diagnose anemia at the earliest, and we can start their treatment.
So, what do you think is the first step towards an anemia free India? Eating right, exercising, or educating yourself?
Eat, yeah. First, as I said, is testing. Then eating right is very, very important. We should take nutritious food, especially containing foods like green vegetables, fruits, and jaggery and all. And obviously, exercise and all is necessary to be healthy. But
Okay, sir. So that's it. So guys, if you wanna ask anything, you can ask from this. Um, So, sir, there is any specific time that we should get tested for hemoglobin?
no, there's no specific time. But at least once in 2 months, one should get the hemoglobin tested. Once in 2 months, 3 months. So that is better. And you know, and if it's less than 12, it's 9, 10. Then every precaution should be taken. The food habits should be changed.
So, what are the precautions that anyone can take so that the hemoglobin should be good, like more than 12?
First is nutritious diet, as I said earlier. Then now the concept of cooking in iron utensil, which we
Yeah.
have now stopped. So that we should again start it. So that is iron utensils and things like that. Our cooking method should be such which doesn't, destroy the iron content. And fruits, iron containing fruit should be there. Apple should be there in our diet. Green vegetables should be there in our diet.
Okay. So, guys, you wanna ask anything? And sir, also the last question is supplements is good for the health? Like many people take supplements.
Yeah, yeah.
Good.
So,
Not.
like, you just can't replace the nutrition which you get from the food in a
Yeah.
pill. It's so easy to just pop up a pill and you feel that, oh, I'm getting the iron content. We should try to eat food. Iron supplements are okay, but especially like they are given to pregnant women when there's extra need of iron. But routinely, one should, try to get it from the natural sources as much as possible rather than depending upon the pills.
Yeah. So I think that's all. Yeah. So, sir, you would like to say anything? That was the only question. I don't
Thank
think
you.
it's a question. Like,
Okay.
so,
Thank you
sir,
so
thank
much.
you so much for your time. I hope like we will get any in a free country soon. So, thanks.
Definitely. Definitely. Because we have to really try. Like it's not
Yeah.
like the well-off people and educated people are not anemic or the villagers are anemic. It's not like that. It's just the education, the diet. You are seeing the young girls. They are not eating properly. They are eating junk foods which doesn't contain iron, and they are fasting. Things like that. So that is very important,
And
and we feel
they
that,
avoid,
yeah.
they avoid eating green vegetables, especially.
Yeah. Yes, 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 yes. So eating right is very important to eradicate anemia, and we should not feel that only the poor people are anemic. Even the well-off and educated people are also anemic. So the
Yeah,
awareness
you
is
should
important.
educate yourself. Yeah, exactly. So thank you so much, sir, for your time.
Thank
It
you.
was a lovely session. Yeah,
Thank you so much. Thank you.
recommend. So guys, I hope the session was informative. And, yeah, thank you so much, sir.